up, this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. This video I'm going to show you how to delete any game you have downloaded from App Store to your iMac or MacBook Pro. Very simple tutorial, guys. You have to go to Launchpad and you have to check what is the game that you downloaded you want to delete now. Very simple, you have to hold this one and you have to drag to the bin, trash. When you are trashing, it will ask you, do you want to delete this application, birds and blocks too? Hit delete, it's gone. That's simple. So take any game and drag to this bin. That's all, guys. Very simple, basic tutorial. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.